welcome to the sewing studio. My challenge last week was to make a quilt using one of these bundles of 5 fat quarters, and this is what I've produced. There was hardly any waste and I've made a quilt for little over £20. So I'm going to open one of these today and I'm going to show you what's inside, and we're going to have a quick look at what we can create. Because on this one, as you can see, I've fussy cut some of the squares, and then the smaller pieces I've joined together to make another square. In some places I've done a 4 patch, but each of those squares adds up to 4.5 inches. So what have we got here? So we've got a Bambi, so we can fussy cut Bambi as our main square. Then we've got this lovely grey and white shadow of Bambi, which we could cut maybe into 1.5 inch strips and frame the square. We've also got the same blue. Oh my gosh, and look at this. This one is beautiful. Look at that. You could really do something with that one to make a feature of your centre squares. And then you've got these other pieces that you could fussy cut again. So you could use this as your smaller strips to frame each of these. So as I said, for little over £20, you've got yourself a really good quilt. You could use the narrower wadding, which is 45 inches wide, and if you bought 1 metre of the Bella Solid, you'd have enough fabric to cut not only your backing, but enough to do your binding as well. We're also running a workshop here at the sewing studio on how to make one of these small baby quilts using these fat quarters. One of the other ones I've just noticed here is a nice Christmassy one, and we could use this to make a table runner or a Christmas tree skirt. We've got some here that where the colours blend. You could do a kind of Bargello design. We've got lots of children's ones, and as you can see, we've got a whole host of them. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the shop, on a workshop, or even make your purchases online. Thank you.